got a Thermolyne furnace. It's on right now. It's at 1990. It just moved to 2000. I got it set for 2300. I don't know if it goes up to that. I know it's a 2000 degree for sure. Anyways, it just hit 2000. In the photo you can see it was at like 1990 or something like that just a few minutes ago. Anyways, comes with some tongs and some gloves. Here's another one that I'm going to use when I open the door to show you. We got a bolt in there right now. It should be nice and cherry red. Let's see here. Here's the tag on the back. We got a model 3F, excuse me, 1850. The serial number is 16254. It's a 3-phase 240 volt. It has a Furnitrol type 53700 controller. Open the door here, see if I can open it without getting burned. I'm going to be very careful with these. There, I just opened her up. She's glowing red hot. There's a bolt in there if you can see it. She's glowing cherry red. I'm not even going to pull it out of there. Look at how quick she's dropping down in temp. There's an extra layer of bricks the former owner had in there. There's some spare brick on the bottom. Anyways, here you go, ready for action. Proof is in the pudding. Shut her down. There you go. Thermolyne, model 1850.